How to activate Simplii Credit Card. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to activate your Simplii Credit Card. So in order to activate your credit card, you have to make sure to watch this video till the end. So there are different ways of activating your credit card. You can either do it with the help of your mobile app or you can use the web browser. Either way, the procedure is gonna remain the same. Now then, to begin with, go ahead and open up a browser. And then on the web address bar, type in the link that says www.simplii.com. I'll make sure to drop the link on my description box below as well. When you are on the official web page, this is how the interface is going to look like. Now right on this page, scroll down a bit and then go to credit card section. As you click on credit card, go ahead and log into your account. And when you logged in, you'll be able to see this option as activate or apply whatsoever. And if you wish to activate it, go ahead and select the activate button. As you do that, you'll be asked to enter in the information of your credit card, that is your CVV number, your date of birth or the expiry date, and then the number on the card. Once you've entered the following information, then click the apply or tap the activate button. On the other page, it's going to ask you to create a password. So when you create a password or a PIN, then you'll be notified that you've successfully activated your Simplii Credit Card. So that's how you can activate your Simplii Credit Card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.